Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, with another lecture of electronics 2. I am here, and today I will discuss with you on the types of features according to the input and output. Basically, whenever we discuss electronic element, as you know, that according to Ohm's law or according to different laws, we always discuss different circuits according to their input and will calculate their values according to their output. So here we will discuss in digital electronics the inputs according to the shift registers according to input and output. So it is not a difficult task, very simple topic, but keenly if you have learned the topic of D-type flip-flop or the flip-flops, then you may understand this lecture. And I'm hopeful that you have learned this topic, the flip-flops, very concisely or concretely. Here is the first type of this is the types of resistors. There are four types of resistors according to their input and output. Number one, from those four types, there is number one, that is CISO resistors. CISO is a very great name. CISO means serial in, serial out shift resistors. So serial in, serial out shift resistors. What they are doing? As you are watching this block diagram, it is very clear that they are connected in series, and the input is coming from left side to the right side. So the shift register which allows serial input means one bit after the other through a single data line. Stream of the data lines in a sequence like clock pulses, one after one, through a single line data line, and produces a serial output is known as serial in, serial out, means CISO shift registers. The block diagram here you are watching is showing that data input is entering into a D-type flip-flop, that is called FFA means flip-flop 1, FFB means flip-flop number 2, and FFC means flip-flop number 0 3. The output coming from the D input from the series serially is the input of D2 means flip-flop number 2, and same vice versa, same over here again. The clock pulses are commonly connected to every D-type flip-flop from a single source, and the output here we are watching is taken from the third D-type flip-flop. So combining these three D-type flip-flops are making serial in, serial out shift registers. The main purpose of shift register is to storing the data temporarily and to give a delay time, specifically this is called. So the block diagram above shown is a CISO shift register. The circuit shows three D-type flip-flops, as I have mentioned, connected in series. All these flip-flops are synchronous with each other. Synchronous means giving clock pulse to each other. Since the same clock pulse signal is applied to each flip-flop, then we apply a same clock pulse to each other. The results will be similarly travel from one to other shift register, and the results will be same. Hopeful that you may have understand this lecture, and if there is any kind of problem, you may ask me in Google class or my WhatsApp group number, and it is a very much simple topic, and this is very much important according to your examinations. Right now, thank you so much from here, and inshallah we will meet within another lecture. Thank you.